You know the machines get different mode of operation. You get forward movement, you get reverse. That's why reverse is for vehicle.
Okay, so now reverse running with the
reverse already now.
Yes,
Oh, what
for
a wow.
I mean, they do tripartite committee and they call the billionaires. They come
May they come.
and then they say when they implement on us and report. Now to stop the reverse.
Okay, so that more forward running.
You never see truck we carry load where we say one climb hill. You know if you go come the road come back.
Oh, now we they do.
They will put stick for the tire. Man, no go down again.
So they don't put stick now.
Now be the all this trade they do have to put stick.
Yeah, may no go down too much. I see.
Now just like they climb bridge now. If you see big motor for your front truck, you put to the give them distance because if they climb, they come tired to climb, come back.
That's why when they break, not
you
sharp.
either come down for your car, run.
Lord. Last leave your car
back over for their back.
and
If
base.
the person in the other lane lets you enter, otherwise they go roll, go back. That's what Nigeria did now. But before you say, if you want, because the kind of cost where they go save to me. You know, not be significant cost. No, make sense. The only way it go make sense.
They say they're saving about 200
billion.
How did they take
how much
to
they
save that
take to when
200
they
billion?
come subsidy that time?
over $1 trillion.
Where the money?
Some of them they reflect for FAC allocation. That's allocation account, which the governors, which they reach state and local government
I
right
want
now.
to reach with the current exchange rate and the way economy there, all those money. It's not I tell you so.
Yeah.
You know, you just be like somebody they rejoice now say naira and dollar big part.
But this way they spend down.
Exactly, it's almost the same thing.
But-
so if you
but-
don't see if you talk say the thing go, I they watch the interview when they say. No, say people go lose their job. They have to join ministries and all those stuff.
Yeah.
Waiting if you save money from now, say okay. If you manage use 2 ministries,
Office.
maybe all of them go to use one building.
One
the other
building,
one
yeah.
will save building. If you sell the building and then maintenance cost. Where the real leakage they happen for this
Now
country?
the people.
Now the overestimation of things. For instance, some ministries go get budget for refreshment for this, all those unnecessary things, diesel running cost. If they really cut down bring everything to the real cost of running governance. If we want really cut cost, now there it go start from. When they talk about say if the merge ministries reduce all those stuff,
Yes.
they go save some costs. We know.
Certainly.
And they tell you say where the real costs they come from.
Now we
Not be because the ministry is too plenty or people too. Now the budget.
For those
For
same
instance-
ministries, right?
For instance, maybe now 1 million go run a ministry.
Yes.
I just dey give minister. If they carry budget go National Assembly, they go carry 20 million go. Those people go approve am. They will get their cut. This one will get their cut. 19 million wasted.
Okay.
Now there the problem of the country. They not be all these things. Another example. For years during body government, they budget over 100 million to carry soak away for national for Aso Rock. They budget over 200 million to buy computer every year.
Expensive.
Cutlery nko.
RBC should they work for this station. How many times they don't change these computers? They budget 300 million to buy spoon and fork and knife. I don't understand. How many times did they buy spoon and fork and knife in your house? You understand?
They
They go
budget-
buy official cars wey be brand new, still budget for spare tire. Car wey dey come brand new, they come with spare tire.
They come
You
now.
know,
Nobody dey
spare
ask
tire.
question. I'll give you an instance. One time they budget 1.2 billion for the fumigation of the Office of National Security Advisor.
Yeah, I remember.
Fumigation. Now there our money they go. Budget where nobody they. I don't tell you example of somebody, one of my family member wey be director for NNPC one time, where group managing director some years ago during Jonathan, I said I make you go defend budget for National Assembly. Where the committee walk am out, say who you be?
Because
Where your
your
oga?
oga don't
I
come.
come to say why they walk you out? Say because what they want demand for.
He not
Then
fit
say
approve am.
in level no me na director one of the bit they say na the GMD must come by himself. So we know where the leakages they happen.
Don't
All
understand.
these things where they say they want save, as good as it be, it be na change compared to
all those
where
budget.
the real waste of money. They, for instance, na this country we dey when Senate President said they send prayer to everybody account 2 million
To 2
just to go
million.
chill for 2 weeks. That one dey for the constitution, but you understand the time. Now this country we dey they budget how many hundreds of millions to renovate National
Renovate
Assembly.
yeah.
I don't understand. All those things no be priority.
Okay.
You understand? So if you begin now, you don't say if you begin the cut cost from where you suppose cut am first, then you go understand. Say now waste.
They make I ask wetin you talk renovation of a National Assembly. Now remember when Oga Tinubu carry budget just to renovate Aso Rock. Several millions they go into whether na rewiring or something. Then in trips alone, local trips, they run into hundreds of millions. Then in international trips, it don't they even enter billions. Sef. If you remember very well, we look the whole budget. Then that one na for him alone. Then invite unko. local trip.
That's before they cut am down.
If they run
was
into
budgeted for that.
like in talk, this na some of the ways where they go need to cut them down. First of all, why
No, they don't cut that one down.
Wait
After that
now.
budget was proposed, hold on.
It's still there too. It's still there too
hold on.
plenty.
You know, say
to the
hold
travel
on,
with
Godwin.
20 people. What do you carry 20 people
Hold
do
on
for your
now.
trip?
No, but for me, 20 people
For Presido, it's not
plenty.
too much. It's
Not
not too
bad.
much. This is here.
Make I just give
Even
you
though say we want make government do right, but I'm more they talking when they see do right.
Make I give you the simplest
It's not too much.
explanation.
They cut them by half, not be by half.
See this simplest explanation. Man, they struggle with his family because say things they're expensive, right? Because say okay, would they do for 3-bedroom flats? The boys get one room, the girls get one room, husband and wife get one room. Oh, country don't have, they will not fit live for this area again. More we move go another area. Rent for this place now 2 million a year. More move go where would they pay rent like 700k, right? They don't save 1.3 million.
Yeah.
Now can't go rent 2-bedroom flats. That 2-bedroom, I can say okay, all the children stay one room.
Stay one room.
Papa and mama stay one room.
Yeah.
Now for the man mind, don't they save money? That same man now, if he they drive motor, will be 10 million.
Yeah.
Are you not supposed to sell the car and be driving a 5 million naira car? Now imagine make man they drive 10 million naira car, but you say now children,
Oh,
man
children
joining
make
their room
this,
together and then they save money for the house.
That actually says if you not save enough like that of car, but now still saving, bro.
But where the man supposed to start from?
From
If you
himself
get
now.
10 million naira car where they drive, well, you know say if you drive a 5 million naira car, but you want carry your children, I mean then they rush, they squeeze themselves inside one room to save
Hold
700k.
on, hold on. This is
Meanwhile,
the
you can
difference.
say-
Hold on. One
Which
is
of
a
better part?
recurring money, which is that house.
Which one be recurring
Car,
money?
once you buy car, you don't buy car.
But
You are not going-
tenants incur.
The tenant now there they go now. Hold on. So every year now, the man is trying to save a recurring. Which they call it for economy expenditure, abi?
Recurrent expenditure.
Recurrent expenditure because you pay rent
What will be
yearly.
the price of that recurrent expenditure?
Oh, hold on, you just said 1.something million in saving. So
What
imagine
will be the
in
price
10 years,
What will be the price to maintain a 10 million naira car a year?
it's still not dey too much. Me,
No,
I still feel say
no,
it dey
no,
better.
no.
It dey better for you to
R&B.
save money off your rent
R&B, wait.
than selling your car
R&B,
because economically
wait
it
first
doesn't
now.
make sense.
Wait first now. No, R&B, we dey drive cars now. More we
Yes.
talk like people wey get cars.
Not use my house example.
The money,
Use your own
R&B, the
example.
money wey we dey use maintain cars
Yeah.
for this country and buy fuel, e dey na more than times 5 wetin e dey take pay rent.
Okay, that same
You don't
money.
know.
Hold on, that same money. You
the
feel
man-
hold on.
see the
You feel
man
use that
say-
same maintain. You feel still
No,
spend on maintaining
You
a cheaper
you don't
car.
understand.
Even worse,
You,
sef.
you don't understand. See the mass here.
Yeah.
Rent na 2 million.
Yeah.
You move go maybe a 1 million naira.
You are saving 1 million
You save
every
1
single
million
year.
Every year.
Yes.
You dey drive a 10 million naira car.
Car,
How much this go take maintain 10 million naira car plus
More do
fuel?
simple
For somebody,
mathematics.
wait,
No, you
for
go
somebody,
pass 1 million
listen.
now.
For somebody they go work every day.
You
Use me
okay?
as-
You want me to not use the car again?
Wait, use me as an example now. Let's say they drive a 10 million naira car.
Yes.
Between Maryland and here. First of all, I dey buy 25,000 naira fuel every week. Because of say now office they do palliative.
Yes.
Not every day they come work.
Yes.
When I dey come work every day,
They probably 35 or 40.
I dey buy 12,000 naira fuel every 2 days.
Yes.
So plus weekend when they go out, if you times 12,000,
Almost 30 something.
No. If you times 12,000 into 3,
Yes. That's
36K.
36K. Yes.
let's just
Almost
say
40.
35k fuel a week. In a month is how much? 140,000 naira.
In a month.
We never in a month oh.
From 1,000 to
140,000 naira in a year is for 1 year is how much?
1 point.
You go be.
You understand that you don't already pass it. I don't say for rent. I never talk about maintenance. You know how much they buy oil to maintain your car.
I want you to ask you one question.
Wait,
now,
no. I dey give you an example. You know how much to maintain the car.
Yes.
If something spoil for that 10 million naira car,
Okay.
at a go you go spend like between 2 to
Godwin,
400k.
you
fix am.
selling your 10 million naira car and buying a 5 million naira car, do you think the maintenance stuff will reduce? No, it's still there.
It go
Except
reduce.
say- No. Stop am.
Wait, now
you
make I
even
explain-
save more
Wait,
in
make I
an
explain to
expensive
you.
car
Arabi, wait.
because an expensive
No.
car go take time to
Na
spoil
lie,
before
na lie.
a
Who
Guadu
tell you
5
say
million
go-
car.
who tell you say go take
Depending
time?
Ah, no,
depending
no,
on
tell
your
you.
location.
Arabi,
You
ma,
can
give
bad
example.
roads.
Hello.
dey.
Listen.
Godwin.
A
It's not
20
bad road.
Listen.
I use my car, which is
R&B.
hold on now. I use my car, my own car, which is foreign use when I take buy.
Yeah.
Which you don't use gwaga where I
Yeah.
manage you.
Yeah.
Guess what, for good 1 year. I not touch that, cannot fix that car.
That time
Only
no
with
fix
that they change. Now oil.
How much they take service your car?
You don't know.
100K.
Your voice don't
100K.
come down.
You know how much? You know how much I
Your
take
voice
service
don't
that
come
my
down.
Honda?
But guess what?
Wait,
Guess
wait.
what?
R&B, wait.
God
How
me.
frequently they service that your car?
So because I dey service am with that kind of amount, I dey use Mobi 1. Which the last one of that year na 6 months. But you when they use 20k or you go they change your own like 3 months.
No.
Hold on.
Wait, listen.
Hello.
No, na different cars.
different cars.
I don't talk how
Now they tell you
now.
How much
for
they change your
instance,
own?
that under Civic, that time
Yes.
was before this, that time where Buhari be president.
Yes.
And they service that car with like 18k in 3 months. 18k times 3 in every 3 months, that's 9 months.
Okay.
Wait, how much be 18k? Let's just say 20k. That's
20k in 6 months.
60k. Meanwhile, if you service once in 6 months, you spend 100,000. Already wait.
If I
you're already
service
spending 40,000 more
extra,
than me.
right?
Okay.
If tire
You know
burst
why?
for your car, now the same price with Civic.
No.
If you want to buy part for your Benz,
Yes.
now the same car with Honda.
Okay.
No.
May I say
Now
explain
they tell
to
you, so
you?
if you sell a 10 million naira car,
Yes.
you know
buy
go buy
it.
that same brand for 5 million. You go buy a cheaper to maintain brand for 5 million.
But also,
The money we'll talk to the money we go take maintain Honda and
You know go
Camry.
reach
Godwin.
these Benz now.
I
And
see
Toyota
stand.
no be go take
God,
me
may I tell you the
Benz and
truth?
PM.
I feel you will see
So-
save more from the rents than selling
I
your
don't
car.
show you the rent so now 1 million you dey save a
Every
year.
year.
I mean why
Okay.
for car only fuel alone don't pass that 1 million.
It go shock you say no meet up with that money.
I don't understand.
If you
Meet
do your
up- meet up
calculation
with
well.
which money?
Bros, that the same car fuel. Okay, you want to say 10 million naira car they consume fuel
You
more than
dey
your
confuse me. Oh.
more than your
Wait,
money.
wait.
No, I dey think mathematically. I dey think
Now they tell
mathematically.
you so. Now they tell you so. Money what they buy? What you make it this? I come out from Ikpaja, come Maryland.
Because of the distance.
When
Bad and
not
bad.
because
No,
of
because of the-
when my car, that my Volvo SUV,
Yeah.
begin get problem. I can't go for everywhere. They try to find solution. After I don't spend almost 300k trying to fix that car. Now I consider when they calculate, say, why even they stay this side? Now when I dey do morning runs, right? I leave my house 4:35 in the morning. By 11 I don't close. I need the face traffic go. I need the face traffic come. When I move come midday show, I come from outside. They spend like between 2.5 hours, 3 hours coming. That time they do that Ikpaja road to office. The car no like traffic. I can't calculate how much I dey spend for fuel. Only fuel R&B.
Brother, the same fuel you go
Wait, now,
use, whether
wait,
a new
no,
car, 5
wait,
million car,
no,
or
I
10
did
million
different.
car.
Listen, when I calculate how much I dey spend for fuel from Ikpaja to the office
Yes.
every month, come multiply am by a month, you already don big pass rent for Maryland. Fuel money
Yes. Because
don
of the
big pass rent
distance.
for Maryland because of the distance.
Because
You
not
never
because
talk
of the
about-
car.
Then when I come move go Maryland,
Uh-huh.
I come dey calculate my fuel coming to the office. It takes me like 20, 15,
Shorter
20 minutes.
distance give you a cheaper fuel.
I come dey find out
Not
say-
because of the car.
No, listen now. I come find out say I dey spend less for fuel. Number one, less for fuel. Number two, repairs no dey frequently because the Maryland road dey better than Ikpaja.
See, because of the distance.
Listen, then number three, I don save all the money wey I save from buying the distance of fuel. Now they tell you so the car was costing me more than the
Not
house.
the car, now your distance they make you.
No.
Now God will listen to my calculation. You know they get me. All these things when you just talk, so now because of distance, that make you they incur those high costs. Not be because of the car.
Not be
If
the
you
issue
like,
of
hold on.
distance. The
If you like,
quality of the car
hold
matter
on.
too.
Even the better quality, they even make you get lesser problem. I just give you an example. I only service my car twice a year. You dey service your hold on, you dey service your car 4 times in a year. Yeah, the price might be different because of the quality of oil. Now make me not be say I don't fit use that your oil. I can use that your oil. I go still spend the same money when they do. Hold on, now I explain to you.
Are you done busy point?
Hold on now. No, I dey try. I dey get where I dey go right now. I can use that your same oil and spend your type of money. But guess what? It go be the detriment of my own car because my car not good for that kind of oil. My car na specific.
And so you
That's
dey,
why I spend
and so you
extra
dey make
cost.
my point for me.
Yes,
I don't
one.
give you example.
So-
I spend 60,000.
So whether you
listen,
reduce your car
no R&B
or not, I think it's
need to
better you
understand.
make
People wey no
I
get car
say I
cannot
use
relate.
60,000.
Lady J, we cannot
this is
relate.
simple maths. I use 60,000.
You cannot relate to
In a
Lady
year.
J, listen.
I
I
use-
use 60,000
in a
in
year.
9 months to service car.
in 9 months.
You use 100k in 6 months. Who pay pass?
Okay, hold on. You not still
Now,
get
one
the
example.
point.
No. Like the point wey you dey miss.
Yeah.
What would they do now? Which one expensive pass? Maintenance or reducing cost for car or for the house rent? House rent is fixed. You move from 2 million to 1 million.
You are
save
saving 1 million every year.
In a year. I dey tell you, say,
Yeah.
just one example for that your car.
Yes.
In 6 months, what you dey take maintain your car? Now they use
Now
for
100K.
You understand? Me, I dey use
Because of
60K
quality.
in almost No.
I just told you, I feel use your own year.
No,
see they use that
because
same money.
RBC.
But because I want to make sure say my car dey in good
But
condition, I can't go less.
No man,
if you use
listen,
the kind of
you
oil.
affect
So now
the
fit the bike
quality.
that is why you
And
go
I think it's
spend
very
more
cool.
to maintain them.
Now they
Make
tell-
I ask one question. When you get brain boss problem that for you and your messages, how much you spend?
300k.
Can you imagine?
Do you know how much to buy full engine for Honda Civic?
I don't know how much it be. I never drive.
One something as at that time.
One drive, no, you go don't pass like that.
No,
he
that
say
time when
at
you go,
that
that
time
time
where you
that
get
time when you
problem.
spend 300k for that,
Yes.
300 something for that
Yes.
brain boss. Now 300k you go spend now for that same brain boss.
No,
Certainly not.
no.
See example what they give you.
Yeah.
You get brain boss problem, you spend over 300k.
Yes.
I change full engine for CRV Honda,
For
now
that
100
300.
and something k.
Wow.
And you don't even
So you know, he dey like side bed.
if I get small problem,
it.
stabilizer
See.
leakage, shock absorber,
Yeah.
the price of those things
It dey expensive.
it dey less
Less
than the
compared to
expensive
my
car.
own.
So the first price wey don save car number one. Economy don difficult. I dey struggle. My family dey struggle. I sell my 10 million. You know say car wey buy 10 million this year. You know if you see am 10 million buy next year.
Yes.
Maybe
Certainly
like
not.
15 or 12
But you know, say
million.
the rate at which I dey go mechanic, not be you two go dey go mechanic because of your cheap car when you go for.
You know
No,
they
I
really
on
go
the
mechanic.
road.
o.
It
Now,
na
I
the
dey talk
road
car, I
o.
no dey tell you
Na the
like,
road o.
normal.
This is what we dey talk say people dey the same situation. Assume say me and you dey live for the same Maryland.
Maryland,
Coming
yeah.
to office the same time,
Yeah.
the same route. I just dey tell you say only the fuel and maintenance alone is more than the house rent. You understand? If you do the calculation, it's more. First of all, a wise man go say, why I dey drive 10 million naira car? Come they put my children inside one room together.
So
I
you
go
want-
Google
you
sell
want
am save 5 million first.
Come they
Then use
save
5 million buy.
recurrent 60.
No, I'll call you 5
40K.
million. I'll come find out how much I dey take buy fuel maintain car. If let's assume say I dey maintain car, do everything with 2 million for this brand of car. How much it go cost me to buy fuel and maintain for this other brand?
But now don't forget
No,
to
we
you
reduce
dey
am.
forget
Reduce
small you
everything.
dey forget small thing. Now between choices we dey talk here. That's you choosing to sell your car mean say you dey retain your rent of 2 million. That you assist hold on now.
Yeah, okay,
Except
yes,
say you want go both
it's
way.
even better.
You
if
still
I
dey
decide,
retain
if
your
I decide to
tail-
maintain the rent of 2 million, my children will get a separate room.
Hold on, you will
Meanwhile,
be consuming
I don
more
say-
light. Hold on, you'll be consuming more light
I don't
because extra
understand.
room dey there where your children dey. You go buy new bed. You go buy new bed. You go buy curtain.
You no go buy new
No,
bed.
no,
and
No,
I dey say,
no. So no, you be spending more money on
You
those
don't go
things.
buy a new bed.
So-
You go put the two beds together for the same room. Now it be the joining together now.
No,
You
now for
understand?
you retaining
No,
three
R&B.
bedroom
So
now.
now,
No,
so now
no,
use this car matter finish across the bridge. We will not get motor now. You don't
No.
let us see
So-
something to talk.
What
God
about-
will
But me,
judge.
I feel
See, I
it's
realize that
better
one-
you
Just
save
judge
1
both
million
of
from
you.
For
house
instance,
rent.
if we get
As we
law,
don't get
for
car
instance,
soon.
if we get law, we
Talk
talk
So
say.
we get in
about-
Jesus'
For
name.
instance, if we get law, we talk say
Yeah.
everybody will enter National Assembly, House of Rep or Senate. Their official cars will be produced by Innocent. At this price, Innocent will come negotiate with government. Say, okay,
We'll give you
all
to
the car,
subsidize.
30 million naira car, for instance.
Yes.
Maybe that's a car or whatever.
Yeah.
No group of senators will come say they want to approve 160 million for it.
Because
Because
you
we
know
know
the
the
price.
price of
Because you
the
already
car.
know
Yeah.
the law say it must be a
Innocent.
Nigerian made
Yeah,
and
yeah.
at this brand. If you don't like that brand, no contest for
They
senator.
don't go feel
Yeah.
inflator.
Now imagine a country where they suffer.
Yes.
They
Go
buy
dey bring
160
Prado
million.
Jeep.
Now you know save all those costs. You say because they implement or not say
No, we will get there. We will get there now small.
The problem
Presido don't shake his leg. Now, hold on now. Presido don't shake his leg by reduction on top numbers of people when they follow and travel, which I don't know if they even
But
adhere to
funny
that.
enough-
They don't shake ministry, department,
But
agency.
they
Now,
talk say
small.
the people go still dey work there. So no be say they go even lose their job. So
No,
wetin dey pay them salary now?
No,
Who
but-
dey pay them the salary?
Now that one I never understand because normally by merging you suppose lose
Reduce
some
the
people
workforce.
the workforce suppose reduce
Yeah.
which mean loss of job.
But
you know
there's
when
no loss
minister
of job. That means they will still be
minister
paying
never
that-
do a calculation where need to come as I can't talk.
Wait
truth,
until
you
this
get.
new ministry they don't join. Submit their next budget next year.
Their budget
They
go
go send
loud
at
though.
times two. The two ministry budget join together and they go submit.
They don't go try am.
I don't
When
understand.
we come merge,
When they submit 300k for spoon and fork and knife, who talk?
300k, I bet 300 million.
300 million. Who talk? Forget that in R&B.